Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is your boy James from What's Your Forte, and today, as you can see, I'm back at the shop, and I'm actually not getting anything done to my car, but one of my buddies, Eric Grand Tour, who helped me was the video man for one of my other previous videos when I did my carbon fiber M4 mirror cap install. He's actually getting a VRSF intercooler, and he's getting downpipe put in. So I'm gonna be capturing some of that here over at the shop and bringing that to y'all. So he's actually gonna be getting a before dyno and after dyno. So when he told me that, I thought it'd be pretty cool to catch some of that on camera and share some of that experience with y'all. So let's go ahead and get to it. All right. Alright, so to go over Grand Tour's mods, he has an MST Intake, Dinan Exhaust, VRSF catless downpipe, VRSF 6.5-inch intercooler, and BootMod3 Stage 2 tune. So let's see what his final numbers are. So, looking at the final numbers for Grand Tour's 335, his baseline was 276 horse, 281 torque. And then he went to the stage 1 boot mode tune with an intake and exhaust on his car, and he put out 338 horsepower, 399 pound-feet of torque. Then we went, as you saw, full bolt-on, intercooler, downpipe, etc., along with his other mods, and the stage 2 tune from boot mode, and he was able to get 381 horse and 429 pound-feet of torque. It's crazy numbers to put down for just, you know, a tune and then full bolt on, especially looking at where he came from, because you're looking at even the base to stage 1, he was able to add 62 horse and 118 torque to the base, and then even from that stage 1 to stage 2, he still added 43 horse and 30 torque. And then you look at where he started at and where he finished at, he added a total of 105 horsepower and 148 pound-feet of torque. That is crazy. To put it in perspective, I remember the first car I ever had was a 1997 Hyundai Accent. That car only had 97 horsepower, and that was a full engine. I mean, he was able to add pretty much, you know, way more horsepower and torque than that car had, all together in a tune and full bolt on. I mean, it's pretty amazing how far engineering and technology, everything is gone, you know, from those days. So pretty amazing. All right, everyone, so I'm ready to go on the test drive with Eric's full bolt on 335. He just got everything tuned, so we're gonna go on a little ride along. I hate this little hump here. I'm just like, man, y'all need to smooth that thing out.
All right, we got to get on it for a second.
Oh yeah, that's fine. Okay. Yeah, I could feel that torque. Oh yeah, I could feel that torque. I could feel the torque. Yeah.
It was second gear when it really started to get a little.
Yeah. Yeah.
It kicked out a little bit. Holy shit.
Ooh, burbles? Burbles?
Yeah. Burbles always good.
Oh yeah.
Buddy. You like that fart it does
Oh
when
yeah.
it changes gears?
Oh yeah.